I'm sure that if you gave a cake like this to somebody who lived, say, in Papua New Guinea, they probably wouldn't like it.
What are you doing, Josh?
He doesn't live in Papua New Guinea.
Well,
but he hasn't eaten a whole bunch of sugar.
Just like they've never eaten it before.
Dad, we all ate it, even though we've never eaten it before. We just...
No, but maybe Joshua has taste buds set than you. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Josh.
Give it back to him. See if he wants it.
You get to eat it. You get to eat it. Joshua. Yeah. Joshua. You just take it and eat it. You know what? It has a thing on it. Wait, we don't dump it over. We put it in our mouth and eat it like that. Yeah. See, it doesn't hurt.
Frightening to realize how close we come to eating half a cake in one sitting.
Is he gonna eat it? Oh, he's looking at it. And the verdict is, Joshua does not like birthday cake. Joshua. Joshua.
That's what you want to eat the cake. He's the only one that jumped it.
I don't know about that. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't think he likes the birthday cake too much. All of us think it's good, but he doesn't seem to think it's good for much besides playing with it.
He prefers his red beets.
And meatloaf especially.